Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA One. My name is Emmanuel and now I'm going to show you how to test this capacitor using a smart digital multimeter. This is very easy using this digital multimeter. The first step is discharge the capacitor. How can I do it? Touch this with this in this way. Okay, ready. Now is safe touch and touch with my finger. Now the next step is turn on this digital multimeter, pressing this key. Okay, press here to turn on the light in the screen, and now if you want that the smart digital multimeter choose automatically the modes, we only need to connect this capacitor to this digital multimeter using these 2 points. But before, we need to read here on the capacitor. This 2 microfarads is the important number here. If we read 2 microfarads on the digital multimeter screen when we connect this to this, means the capacitor is good. If the number on the digital multimeter screen is below 2 microfarads, means the capacitor is in not good condition. Now, take this, touch here and touch here, and watch on the multimeter screen. In this case, this smart digital multimeter choose electric resistance mode, but in this case I want to test this capacitor with the capacitor mode. In this case we need to choose the mode pressing this red key. The next mode, next, and yeah, this is nanofarad mode. The size of the number the digital multimeter choose automatically. Now touch this here and touch this here, and now watch on the multimeter screen. In this case we have 2 microfarads on the digital multimeter screen. It means this capacitor is in excellent condition because the number that we are reading on the digital multimeter screen is the same that we did read on the capacitor, 2 microfarads. It means this capacitor is in excellent condition in this case. If, for example, we do this test and the number that we read on the digital multimeter is, for example, 1 microfarad or 1.5 microfarads or 0.5 microfarads. In that case, this capacitor is bad, is not in good condition. If we see that result on the digital multimeter screen. But in this case, we are watching on the digital multimeter screen 2 microfarads. Is the same number that we did read on the capacitor. it means this capacitor is good. It's good to know that this capacitor is from a fan. The fan needs capacitor for work correctly. If the capacitor is bad, the fan won't work correctly. For that reason, we need to use a smart digital multimeter like this to test the capacitor. And how we do that? In the way that I did show you here in this video. This is your channel SOSA NASA 1. Disconnect now. Keep pressing this key and turn off. And in this way, we can measure and test this capacitor using a smart digital multimeter like this. If you want to know more about how to use digital multimeter, subscribe in our channel, share this video, give me a like, and thank you for watching. Now I have very important message for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel SOSA NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.